Hey crew, we are here at Eagles Canyon Raceway in Texas, and we're going to be getting POV rides in both the core model of the GR Corolla and the new Morizo edition. But first, let's check out how it looks on the inside and outside. Up front, we have a large opening grille, functional corner vents, LED headlights and daytime running lights, heat extractors on the hood, pronounced fender flares front and rear. Got a set of 18-inch lightweight alloy wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, 235 section front and rear, to the 4-piston front brakes with slotted rotors. There's an air curtain on the side, GR badge, GR4 denoted down here for the active 4-wheel drive system, all-wheel drive system. Stepping back to look at the profile, see it looks with the fender flares very distinct from the standard Corolla hatchback. And then getting to the rear, oh, what a sound from the V to the LC500. We've got this integrated diffuser and triple exit exhaust system. Let's go look at the Morizo to compare. Now hopping over to the Morizo edition, exterior changes you're going to notice are unique forged alloy wheels, still 18 inches. Now they're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. This is a huge difference here, and they're 245 section front and rear. At the back, we're going to notice that they've removed, it's like on repeat, except this time with the RCF. They've removed the rear wiper assembly, and that is to save weight. They've saved about 100 pounds for the Morizo compared to the standard GR Corolla. Let's look at the interior. Now looking inside the rear, a huge difference between this and the standard GR Corolla is the fact that they've removed the rear seats, that contributing significantly to that weight savings. And then inside, we've got an Alcantara wrapped steering wheel, or they call it Ultrasuede, with the red center marker, and these seats are distinct as well. More supportive, more Ultrasuede in the interior with red stitched accents. And then you have a unique 6-speed manual with, it's a close ratio, and they've got different differential gearing. Under the hood, we find the 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder like the GR Corolla core model, but this one now makes an additional 22 pound-feet of torque. So we still have 300 horsepower here, but now makes 295 pound-feet of torque compared to 273. Now we're gonna hop inside the GR Corolla core model first, and then on to the Morizo next. Ryan, pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you as well. Very much looking forward to this.
Yes. All right, let's do it.
All right.
All right, so we're in track mode, just 50-50 torque split.
Okay.
And then I have the IMT on, which is helps with the automatic downshifts. It's got plenty of pickup off the bottom, which is awesome. The brakes work really well.
You're able to carry a lot more speed through that corner than I anticipated.
It's, yeah, you want to try to hug that inside as much as you can. This is the tough turn that always catches me out. I always drift away from the curb. I'm always carrying too much speed, though. That was good. Come on. Damn it.
How do you feel about the gearbox? Pretty clean shifts?
Yeah, it's a pretty easy gearbox to shift. It's consistent. You know you're in the gear when you shift it.
You're getting a good amount of feedback through the wheel?
Yep. Yeah, plenty of feeling from the car. I can tell that I'm understeering a lot.
Yeah.
Just kind of overdrive. I got the tires too hot. Dude,
that was awesome.
It really is. I hope you're gonna get a chance to drive it.
Yeah, like I think they're doing a drive program in a couple months. I can't wait.
Yeah, dude, it really is a lot of fun. The entire package I think is really well balanced for the performance output with the torque and the horsepower, the suspension, and the tire package.
Yeah,
as well. Everything
just kind of in right proportion.
Yep, through the Morizo.
Oh,
you thought the other car was fast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you really feel the difference in the torque?
Instantly.
Yeah.
The turn in, dude.
Yeah. The grip, oh my gosh, the G-forces we have there versus the regular.
Floored.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, versus the other Corolla, the G-force there was insane. Oh my gosh. What a difference. The Cup 2s, holy cow. Okay, there's the IS 500 right there. And the brakes have to feel more potent without that extra weight too.
Oh yeah. Dude, the whole car, man. I don't know if I'm allowed to pass people.
Bit of an edge with the all-wheel drive traction versus the rear drive IS 500. Yeah. They've got more weights. The brakes aren't as good.
Dude, I really think I think 50% or more than 50% is the tires. Like just the turn in on everything. Yeah. You can definitely feel the torque like pull you out of those slower turns a lot better.
Yep. That and just the knowledge you don't have rear seats is pretty freaking cool.
I know. Seriously. I can't believe they came out with this edition.
No, me either. I thought the circuit was it. Like they're like, yeah, we're going big on the circuit, but nope. We got more. Well, once again, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, brother.
Awesome. That was so good.
I'm having such a blast driving this thing. I don't want to go back to that right now.
Oh, you sound like you're having a horrible time.
Yeah, I know.